Okay, before you start spraying on your stencils, there's a couple things that you need to know about spray paint. One is that the fumes that come out of the spray paint cans are kind of toxic. They are strong, and so we need to work in the spray booth. There's a switch that turns the spray booth on. It's pretty loud, so I'm going to keep it off while I'm explaining other things. It sucks the exhaust up and keeps those harmful vapors from contaminating the rest of the classroom. When you work with spray paint, you want to shake the can frequently, and you want to keep the can moving while you're spraying. And when you're done painting, you want to turn that can upside down for a few seconds and spray it so that clears the tip and keeps the can from getting all clogged up like this one. Check out the top of your spray paint can, and if you can't even see where the hole was, it's probably clogged up already and won't work. Always test the can on a scrap piece of newsprint before you try to spray paint it on your canvas, because sometimes if the tip has gotten clogged up, you could get some splatter on there. Sometimes it looks kind of cool, but maybe you don't want that. Maybe you want something more precise. So you'll turn on the booth. Nothing's coming out. Find a different color. Test it. And when you're done, turn it upside down and spray it clean. You need to keep the can moving, because if you don't, it'll pool up in one spot and you'll get this drip going. And again, if that's something that you want to do, maybe you want to have some drippy kind of effects in the background before you start doing your stencil, you can do that. But with stencils, you don't want to do that.